Record.
That's our. No, well, okay. That's
To clear the board, you're gonna again hit setup, clear functions, and if you want to clear all
okay. Wait a minute. Setup.
setup, clear functions, which is 4. And clear shell, which is 1. And that'll get rid of the entire shell that you loaded from your disk. It will not erase it from the disk, it will just clear your board.
Clear the board, not the disk.
Correct. So, now when you're recording a show, it's fairly simple to do. All you have to do is figure out what lights you want where. In this case, for the first, what are we looking at for our first one? For our very first cue, we just want our side lights up, which in this case is 11.
Mm-hmm.
So you hit channel 11 at full or any level. I'm going to use full in this case.
Okay. Okay, so there's to set a scene, a light, delta. It's what?
Channel.
CHNL.
Whatever channel you're using, 11. You can also do channel like 11 through
comma
20.
4, 3, 2, 1.
There's a through button, which is very useful.
Yeah. Channel.
At full.
What was that? Oh, it's AT.
At full, which is right below at.
Okay.
Or any level like 20. And you hit enter. Or if you hit 2 numbers, it automatically enters.
What's CHA? It's CHAN. Okay. At full.
At full or at any number,
Okay.
and that puts it up there. Then to record a cue, you hit record. You select your cue number, which in this case is going to be 110.
Record.
Which
Q
it will not. Oh yes, it will. Okay.
equals 110 for first.
And you just hit so record cue 110, enter, and there's your first cue. Now you have captured channels.
110 and enter.
110. Enter.
Record Q 110 and then hit enter.
Now you have captured channels, which means that the board is controlling these channels. You need to release these channels before you change more channels.
Okay.
Because the cues won't change with the cues will not change captured channels.
Okay.
Captured channels stay the way they are. You hit this REL button, that's release.
Mm-hmm.
It now releases those channels. Another important thing to note, when you set a cue, you do not go to that cue. It just puts it in your list. So if I want to go to Q110, I just hit go.
Mm-hmm.
And Q110 should have come up. Oh, there it is. There.
Q110.
Q110 is now up, which in this case was everything, which I'm going to change shortly.
Mm.
So now, let's see. Where's clear? Oh, so now I want to set the next. If I want to set my next channel, first thing I need to do is make sure everything's at 0. So I do channel 11 through 20 at 0, 0, just to make sure they're all at 0 when I'm trying to set my next cue. Because if I don't, my next cue will include those channels which are already up because they were on the board.
Mm-hmm.
So now I want to set whatever my next one is.
It'll be 111.
I want to reset this cue because I set it incorrectly the first time.
Okay.
So I'm going to do channel 11 at full.
Mm-hmm.
Record. Cue 110.
You put 100, 110. Okay.
The 0 sometimes double hits, which will just erase stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently. Hit enter, and that is now the new 110.
Okay.
If I release, 110 is now just that.
Okay, now we're going to do 111.
Yes. So.
Well, which is going to be all black.
So all black. Channel 11 at 0, 0. Record 111. Enter.
I already had 111 up there before.
I had already hit go to channel 11. I'd made a new channel 11.
Okay. Okay, so now the next channel is going to be. So now we hit release,
Yes.
and then we're going to go channel. It'll be channel 4.
So now, channel 4 at full. Record 112. Enter. Important thing to note: I added a 112. 111 was still the next cue, which means when I hit go, I'm going to go to 111 again. Release. And then I go to 112. It adds this next cue. It will repeat the cue if there's no more cues.
Okay. And then after 4, it's going to be the band, and so there'll be an 8.
Channel 8 at full. 4 at 0. Record 113. Okay. Release.
So in that case, that's 111, 112, 113, 114. So we've done cues 114, right?
No, 113. Oh, wait.
Should have just done 114.
I started at 110.
Oh, okay.
I can switch it right now.
No, it's easier for me to do it. 110, 111, 112, 113. We've done, and now we just need to do 114, right? I wonder if it would be.